Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
So vlog girl, right now I'm up on the store with Apple. I try to figure out this problem, see if them can get back my thing name. So I mute the call a while ago. But I'm up on the phone, I try to see what I can do. So, as soon as me know, I'm not gonna know.
When it comes to our data recovery for iCloud photos. So we only hold one layer of recovery, and if this doesn't give it back to you, anything else fell off permanently, okay?
Okay.
So that's what I want to say. I mean, hopefully it gives it back to you and it's hiding in there somewhere, but if not, we can definitely say that we tried. We did bring back a lot, but again, if it's not perfect, I do apologize.
Thank you though.
No worries. I hope you get it back, and if you have any further questions or things we can look into, just definitely give us a holler back, okay?
Okay.
All right. Best of luck with everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Alright. So vlog girl, we dip on the phone with Apple. And we try to recover what we can. Now me have to go sit down yes and go through 3,190 items. Me can't sort it out to just video alone. Me have to go through them and find it. Hopefully them there so. Cause I see some video and picture when I delete from a long time.
Months ago.
Months. So hopefully I give it some time for still load up. Cause I will heap a video. Remember me have like every day now, so I will heap a video. Hopefully we can find back them video. A mad thing. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as me say me da go to the mall, I'm at the mall. Put on some clothes and we there at the mall, you see me? So we are going to Apple store right now. We'll see what them can do for me. A long time I don't come in here, you know. Hopefully them can help me because I'm stressed. Really they want to drop them video there, you know. I see last vlog I go on with numbers. I know I choose my name it. Fight over a girl in the phone and want to say something. Alright, so I'm reach out. I'm so far. So vlog girl. No luck at the Apple store. We got to the Apple store a while ago. And thing. Them said them could help me. The man on the phone and I call help me more than them. You see me? Because them couldn't do nothing. The man on the phone bring back some picture. But me no want still. Them picture they did supposed to be gone. I never care about them there. And less video. Him try. But I guess I lose them finally. I just have to just make it go on. You see me? And I beat up myself over it. No, we don't need it. We don't need it. Me and Megan right now they are Target. She joined me out for come at Target. I guess this is our favorite store. She go buy some little thing for the house, you know? And some feminine thing for herself. But my vibes broke though, I'm not lie dog. My whole vibes broke from losing them video there dog. Dino and Valdo, sorry me G dog. Never expect that to happen. Should I apologize in our first vlog, you know? But me don't know, me appreciate people time dog. I don't like waste people time and everything there. Even though I don't know waste time, you see me? We get people link and lock in even more. But I don't like waste people time when it comes to work, you know? I know I take this thing as serious. So every moment me think count, you know? Creating content. Me not hurt, but me have some new things that come up soon for you know? We're gonna be excited soon. So we're gonna stay tuned. Then you hear me attack. No man. You don't need this. Put it down. No, you don't need that. Show and buy things to pretty people. We not So we there and I go get some stuff. But vex about the video. But my apologies again to everybody who know me know that anticipate for watch them video they when them drop. We don't need to anticipate for them video they when them drop. So just stop and I'll keep on me dead in my eye like a while ago. That didn't creep you a while ago. Yeah, dead in my eye like you're like what the fuck? But yeah, we have some next special thing I come up, so no worry about that miss up there. I'm gonna make up that feed for you, you see me? I try link with Gallis this week to knock out some things soon. Alright. That kind of creepy, no? Everyone will go here and see her. That kind of creepy. But yeah, hey, so what you need to get there? Yeah, can you make me lock off me AC at night time and I dead in there? So vlog world, I forward. You not gonna talk like that so they could hear? My friend?
Sure.
So, me just chef up in the kitchen a while ago. Me know someone not gonna wonder if she can cook. She can cook, but me just want to cook for her every day.
I made juice.
Yeah, she make juice, some real nice juice. And she know, me cook for her every day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Me probably not post it 24/7, but she eat right on the clock. She gain weight. That's what you can see. My friend, we have here fries, yellow rice, chicken rings. You see me, I like my chicken rings breaded burn a little bit, you know? You know burn. You well seasoned, trust me, that's well seasoned. Fries and yellow rice, you know? Ketchup and hot sauce, mayo sauce. You see this? Try it eat bad. I'm not sponsor, but this bad. So yeah, we're about to watch a movie and chef up the food, yeah? And thing, you know, where do it for your vlog. What you gotta say, mama?
I'm ready to eat. Let's go.
My friend, talking your voice. Say so.
Camera shy. Let's see.
Okay. What are you going to do today?
I'm going to eat right now. Right now.
So vlog girl at night time now. We just done shelly food. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna sleep right now. As in my short in the room, I probably sleep already. I'm gonna go and mad up on myself. I have a water run. Yeah, I'm gonna go and mad up on myself. Tomorrow, I think more go out. If me I go out tomorrow, I'm not gonna know. But tomorrow, a weekend, a long time I not go on party. I'm gonna see what I go on. You see me? But I think Pandians are keep. Soon in Florida. I think this side flyer. Hopefully me get the flyer there right as well. But this side flyer, Pandians are keep, and my dog them are keep it, you see me? So me and Bingy them probably go. So if me I go, we not go know. If not, we still a go know. You see me? Content me a try look for both. So mad up on yourself and do it for your vlog. I'll go this summer soon come back. Catch a breeze. Good morning everybody. So when you just watch, I'm going to update because you don't know me have to go now update as the vlog go along. So when you just watch today, I go to Apple Store, I try my best to get back the footage of them. It don't work, you see me? So I do my guy Apple Store. Yeah, I want my face on wash me just so you can forgive me. My guy Apple Store, me ask them, there's nothing them could I do. The man on the phone help me more, you see me? And get back some things, but I mostly picture. Me not see video them when me I look for still. You see me? Probably because them never back up. Let me tell you what exactly happened. Them delete too quick for actually back up in a my Wi-Fi backup, but them delete too quick for get stored in a my iCloud. You see me? So them actually get deleted, you see me? Me have 2 terabytes. You know why me do that. But me have 1 video them, you see me? Today when the vlog get dropped, I probably post. Me did do 3 video with them, you see me? Me did do one with, me can't tell you, but the last one I do was a father and son type, something where the boyfriend come see her, and me play the father, and Dino play the brother, and we beat the boyfriend and run him out. But me I go post it same way, you see me? That and what is my fit telling you? Me still I work on shooting something for the people. Alright, you see, it's easy for me just put 2 persons together, but I want the chemistry right, I want everything right for them next project I'm about to drop, you see me? I don't really want to just rush up put out thing. It kind of good me I do them vlog and I keep on the update on what I go on. But trust me, I work on something, man. I just want everything coordinate right. You see me? Me have a trip in I'm making. If it happen, I'm not gonna know. But all of them something there. I go bring entertainment tone. So hope you like it when I finally do it. When I do them, you see me? I want to do like some soap opera shit. So you can look out for that too. But me did I look a couple. If me can't find a couple, me just gonna put 2 persons together and do this shit. This week now pass and me not drop something, dog. Me try my best for work on something this week. I tell you now. But apart from that, me I gotta shoot content same way. Me I gotta shoot the local comedy video them same way. And all of that, give no vlog same way. Music same way. The music video. I still want to shoot the music video, so you can look out for that. For my song when I have out now, Elevate. I think it depends on all music platform. Today, when? Saturday? If not today, it will depend on iTunes by Monday. But when you check the iTunes store, I go post it up and give you info when it actually released on the thing. For right now, I run YouTube and SoundCloud with it. So to make sure you go run up the views on that Trabass Elevate, you see me? See artwork right there, so just give me a couple listens, you see me? Share it with a friend, play it in on the car, and you can tag me in a video them. I go repost them. I see some on TikTok. I'm not really there on TikTok, but my TikTok is official Trabass. I think I said it name, yeah. I'm not really there on it like that much, but I try to post regular on it, you see me? I go repost some of my video them when I sip on it from everybody. And me and Shorty have a surprise soon too. So you can look out for that. That me excited about. When me have I go on with me and I for Uno. That me excited about. But today, I know I'm gonna ask about the workout. Or we normally wake up and run a morning time. We still do it. She start going gym and thing, but me just lazy for record sometimes because I'm so tired. But me not think we'll work out today. And she got work and I go up on the road. Hopefully, I have my brakes for fix for my car. Hopefully, I do that today too. You see me, so I can look out for that. Not in another vlog. In the next vlog, a bag of things are going to go on because we'll probably go out. We'll probably link up with my friend over here and thing. So early in the morning, I make sure I get that vlog here right now. I'm going to make some tea and start my day. So I just say big up everybody, wanna go and support me, and a lot more in the makings to come, you see me? Dino and Valdo, I miss the opportunity for we do whole heap of content, but now watch your face. So far with the yard. I see someone that asks me when me I come to Jamaica. Me don't know. You just see me when you don't see me, yeah, man. I go in the vlog right there, so mad up on yourself. Thanks for watching, and tell a friend to tell a friend.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate.